Number 1.
1992 Ford F250, price $8,000. This truck is a strong and dependable pickup with 200,000 miles. It has a white exterior, gray interior, and runs on gasoline with an automatic E40D transmission. Under the hood is a 351W engine upgraded with GT40P heads from a 302 and a mild Summit flat tappet cam. It features 4.10 axles with a rear limited slip differential, a high-capacity mag high-tech transmission pan, and new universal joints in both the driveshafts and front axle. Both fuel tanks and pumps have been replaced, and the tank switch works perfectly. The truck has been a reliable daily driver for 4 years with newer brakes, fully functional 4x4, and 35-inch Toyo mud tires. Everything works as it should, making it ready for both daily use and off-road tasks.
Number 2.
1984 GMC Square Body, price $7,500. With just 91,000 miles on the odometer, this truck runs on gasoline and is powered by a dependable 305 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. Its sleek black exterior is complemented by a matching black interior, giving it a clean and cohesive look that's sure to turn heads. The vehicle has been well maintained over the years, with oil changes consistently performed every 5,000 miles using Rotella T4. One of the only minor issues it experienced, a squeaky blower motor, has already been taken care of with a proper replacement. In addition, the truck comes with a brand new battery and tires that are still in great condition, offering peace of mind for future driving. The interior has received some thoughtful updates as well. A Bluetooth radio has been installed for modern convenience, along with a Cobra 138CB radio connected to a 5-foot whip antenna, perfect for long hauls or just for that classic trucker vibe.
Number 3.
1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,700. This truck is a well-cared-for and dependable full-size pickup that has clearly been maintained with pride. With 228,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in strong running condition thanks to consistent care and attention.
The truck is equipped with a durable 4.8L V8 engine and an automatic transmission, making it both powerful and smooth on the road.
It has always been adult-driven, never abused, and has had routine maintenance performed religiously every 3,000 miles without exception. Finished in a striking black exterior with a matching black interior, the Sierra presents a clean and classic look that holds up well despite its age. The body remains straight, and the cabin shows signs of responsible ownership.
Number 4.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, showing 257,000 miles on the body. However, it has seen significant recent upgrades. The engine has only 40,000 miles, the transmission has 17,000 miles, and the tires have less than 5,000 miles on them, offering much more life than the odometer suggests. The truck features a green exterior and comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, and a power-adjustable driver's seat for added comfort and convenience. Inside, it's fitted with a CD player for entertainment. Recent maintenance includes brand new spark plugs, wires, a distributor cap, a mass airflow sensor, and a new air filter. The oil was just changed, making it ready to drive without needing immediate service.
Number 5.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000, with only 118,000 original miles on the odometer. It features a V8 5.0L engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it runs and drives exceptionally well with no warning lights, mechanical issues, or fluid leaks. The truck has a clean title registered in the current owner's name, and it comes with 2 years of valid registration. The exterior is finished in classic white, complemented by a tan interior, and the overall condition is solid for its age. The truck has recently received fresh window tint, including on the windshield, giving it a clean and modern look. It sits with a 2-to-4 drop for a subtle lowered stance, enhancing its style and road presence. There is a faint ring around the back window from a previously mounted camper, which can be seen in the pictures, but it does not affect the truck's performance or structural integrity.
Number 6.
1980 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500, with only 87,000 miles on the odometer. It's equipped with a rare 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, paired with a reliable gasoline engine. The exterior is finished in a classic blue, complemented by a matching blue interior. Thanks to its southern origin, the truck shows very little rust and remains in solid condition overall. The bed has been treated with a rhino liner for added durability. While the parking brake needs to be replaced, the seller notes that it's a simple fix, and in the meantime, the truck can be safely parked in gear. The gas pedal is a bit stiff due to age and could benefit from some greasing.
The title can be notarized and signed on site for a smooth transaction. Number 7.
1985 Ford F250, price $10,000. This truck is a reliable and rugged diesel workhorse with 136,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by the legendary 6.9L IDI diesel engine, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission and features a super cab with a long bed, ideal for hauling and towing. Finished in a classic tan exterior with a matching tan interior, this truck reflects the timeless utility of 1980s American pickups. It includes all power options, a factory tow package, and an integrated brake controller, making it well suited for heavy-duty tasks.
As an XLT Lariat trim, it represents one of the more upscale variants of the F-Series lineup at the time.
Running on diesel fuel, this truck is perfect for enthusiasts who value durability, simplicity, and the distinct character of older diesel engines.
Number 8.
1992 GMC 1500, price $6,900. This GMC is a solid, dependable daily driver with only 79,000 miles on the odometer. It features a smooth shifting automatic transmission paired with a fuel-efficient V6 engine, making it ideal for both city commuting and light-duty hauling. The exterior is finished in a bold red, complemented by a matching burgundy interior that's in good condition for its age. The truck comes equipped with cold air conditioning, ensuring a comfortable ride year-round. It also has brand new tires, a recently installed battery, and strong, responsive brakes. With a clean title and reliable performance, this GMC is ready to hit the road without needing any immediate work.
Number 9.
1977 Ford F100, price $4,250. It shows just 50,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a dependable 302 V8 engine that runs and drives well. However, while it does run, it currently does not stop properly as the brakes need to be installed. Fortunately, all brand new brake components are included with the truck. The exterior is finished in sleek black, while the interior features a bold red color scheme that gives the truck a striking appearance. It runs on gasoline and has recently received several important upgrades, including a brand new fuel tank and straps, a new fuel pump, and a full set of brand new tires.
Number 10.
1980 Chevrolet C10, price $7,300, with just 110,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a matching tan exterior and interior, it features an automatic transmission and is powered by a reliable 305 V8 gasoline engine. The truck spent most of its life in Arkansas and remains impressively well preserved for its age. Mechanically, it has received several recent upgrades, including newer brakes, a new master cylinder, newer shocks, a fresh tune-up, and a recent oil change, ensuring it runs and drives great. It still retains its original brake lines, which speaks to the overall solid condition of the vehicle. Riding on rally rims with good tires, this C10 is road-ready and dependable. Rust is minimal, and the body displays a great natural patina that gives it classic character. One standout detail is the rear bumper, which still has the original dealer's name etched into it, a rare touch of authenticity. Overall, this truck is a well-maintained survivor with both charm and roadworthiness.